Hi, my name is Adrian Gomez at Physical Therapy Connections. I have a CSCS, which is a Certified Strength and Conditioning Specialty, as well as a Tactile Strength and Conditioning Facilitator through the National Strength and Conditioning Association, the NSCA. I work with Physical Therapy Connections, and today we're going to introduce a Tactile Strength and Conditioning program. This is actually going to be through our Health and Wellness Department. Our Tactical Strength and Conditioning program is geared toward a tactile athlete, which is a professional public servant that defends our community from fires, medical emergencies, crime, natural disasters, and local and international affairs. A tactical athlete would be required to jump, run, carry heavy loads, more than likely, and also perform legal and maintenance tasks throughout their career. We're introducing this program as our small part in helping to improve the quality of life that you have while performing your public service. This actually increases your longevity and your integrity throughout your entire career. Like I said, with my experience as a certified strength and conditioning specialist and having worked very recently with quite a few tactical athletes, fire department, SWAT, police academy, even parole officers, and a lot of admin staff, receptionists, that sort of thing. We're finding more and more that it is very important to train as a tactical athlete because training more specific to your needs decreases your risk of injury, which is ultimately going to decrease the time out of the field, keeps you in your job longer, so that you can make an impact as a public servant. And not always are you going to be running, jumping, and carrying. Sometimes you're going to be sitting for a really long time and then having to get up and go do that task. Or as a lot of you are nearing retirement, we want to make sure you're able to board a plane, climb stairs, walk long distances, play with your grandchildren, travel, So even well into the retirement ages, a health and wellness approach to tactical strength and conditioning is very important. So today, again, we're introducing our Tactical Strength and Conditioning program at Physical Therapy Connections through our Health and Wellness Department. We're very excited to work with tactical athletes from all different fields and all different positions. So look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Stay tuned. Thanks.